Original instructions which come with the lighter Spycam. They're written in Chinese and then translated into English on the back. The translation is really difficult to understand. So what I recommend is use the instructions that I wrote specifically for this pen cam and refer to the original Chinese instructions only for technical specifications and that kind of thing. Okay, so this is the lighter Spycam. Looks just like an ordinary lighter, except it's actually a Spycam. That's the camera lens right there, and there's the microphone pickup. The button here, which is normally used to light the lighter, this is actually a multi-function button, and it's used to control the camera video and taking pictures. This is the USB port. This is the reset button. And over here is the that's where the multi-function button fits in, and that's how you control your device, by pressing this button. So that's how that works. On the other side is the slot for the micro SD card, TF card, that's right here, and the card just slides in, contacts facing down, and it just pushes in just like that. And then all you do is you put the top back on, make sure that post lines up with that hole, put it on, and you're ready to start recording. To power up the device, you hold the MFD button down for about 2 seconds. Now you can see the LED comes on and then it goes off. Now this is very important to understand. What the device is doing is it's actually recording video right now out of the little pinhole camera lens. Okay, and what the device is doing is it's in what's called basically a stealth video audio record mode. So it's actually taking video right now as we speak. And that's what happens when you power on the device for the first time. So you hold the button down for about 2 seconds, the LED comes on for about a second, and then it goes off. And we're actually recording video right now. And it's stealth mode because the LED is off. You can't tell it's recording video, I can't tell, but the device can tell. So that's what's good about it. Now when the device is recording in stealth mode like it is right now, it will continue to record video and audio as long as there's noise in the room. So it picks up noise through the microphone, which is right here. And as long as there's, I believe it's 60 decibels or 65 decibels, something like that. As long as there's noise, it will continue to record. If there's no noise in the room, the device will stop recording and it will go into standby mode, a stealth standby mode, which is different than a regular standby mode. What that means is it'll stop recording, but if there's any noise in the room, it'll activate it and it will begin taking video and audio again. To bring the device out of stealth record mode, you just press the button once, quick press, and you can see the LED comes on. Now, anytime you see a steady LED, that means that the device is in regular standby mode. Now, an important thing to remember when using this camera is that it only goes into stealth video audio record mode the very first time you power it up. Once you exit out of that mode like we have, you can't go back to that mode unless you turn the device all the way off and then restart it again. You turn the device off by holding the button down for about 5 seconds, and the device will blink about 3 times and then it'll shut off. So now to come back into video audio stealth record mode, you simply hold the button down for 2 seconds. The LED will come on and shut off. Now that means that we're recording. Again, we're recording in stealth mode. Okay. Now again, to exit stealth mode, press the button 1 time. The LED comes on. Now we're in regular standby mode. Okay, next we're going to talk about regular standby mode. When you're in regular standby mode, which is indicated by the steady LED, you can do 2 things. You can take pictures or you can take video. To take a picture, you just press the button quickly for 1 quick press. The LED will blink off and then come on again. That means you've taken a picture. Take another picture, off and on. That means it's taken another picture. You can do that all day long until you run out of memory. Now to take video when you're in regular standby mode, you hold the button down for about 2 seconds and then you release it. So I'm going to take video right now. 1 1000, 2 1000, and then release. Now the LED will begin blinking. And it blinks rather erratically, I've noticed. It's about once every second, but right now we're recording video. Anytime you see this LED blinking like this steadily, you're actually recording video in regular record mode. This isn't stealth mode. This is different than when you first power the device up and it's in stealth mode video recording. This is like I'm shooting video, I don't care who's watching. That's just to take regular video. But if you want it in stealth mode, then you have to restart the device up. But anyway, to stop recording video, press the button once, and it goes back to regular standby mode. To power down the device from regular standby mode, just press and hold the button down for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can see that the LED blinks about 3 times and then it completely shuts off. That means that the device is off. If you ever try to power on your device and you don't have an SD card in the slot, or you have a faulty SD card, what will happen is when you go to try to turn it on, the LED comes on and then it fast blinks at you. That means that there's a problem with the SD card. As you can see, there's no SD card in the slot. For more tips on how to use this device, as well as for a quick start guide to get you